Hey guys, we meet again and welcome back to Cluster Model Kit channel. So, okay, in this episode, I'm gonna build and assemble and also paint this old kit, and it's scale 1/144 core booster. This is the support unit from the Earth Federation Space Force from the Gundam series. Okay, in this time, I'm gonna use my English language instead of Indonesian language for some reason, of course. I made this video for some purpose for all the foreigners. So for those of you who are foreigners can understand what I'm saying right now and can understand what I'm doing right now. So if you guys want to discuss about this old kit or maybe other gunpla from many Gundam series, let's just discuss it together. And please write down your comment, your suggestion or maybe criticism on the comment column down below. So alright, without any further ado, let's just build this old kit and come on, let's do this guys.
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Okay, boys and girls, I'm done here and I just finished my custom build and painted the core booster and along with the core fighter, of course. So we're gonna talk about this core fighter first. Well, I didn't change it at all. I just keep the core fighter original and I just painted the core fighter with the original color scheme. I didn't give some custom part or builder parts or something like that. Well, I just keep it original with the red, blue and white color. And as you can see in here, well, this core fighter details are so good. Well, you can see in here the details in its body, good enough. The booster details are good enough as well. And I just love the tire details on it. It's really good. Although it is an old school kit, but I love this core fighter. Alright guys, now the second thing that we're gonna talk about is the core booster. Okay, we're gonna talk the core booster right now. And I just impressed with this old school kit. And yeah, wow, I'm speechless with this old school kit. The core booster, the details are so nice and I just love the result, and I'm proud with myself. I just love my painted result. Well, for the painted result and the custom build, I just added some minor details on its body, and then I just added the Earth Federation logo with the builder parts from Bandai and two parts that I made from the resin. And for the booster part, I just changed with the new one, and I use the new booster one because it's more detailed than the original one. So I use them instead of the original one. This is the original booster from the core booster itself. I didn't use them, so let's just get rid of it. And we're gonna talk about another details in this core booster. This old school kit is really impressed me, and you can see the detail down below. And wow, the details are so amazing. It's so impressed me, and I just love the tire details in this core booster body. It's really impressed me. Although it's an old school kit, but it's really good. And it's not only that, you can pull the core fighter from the core booster like this, and you can get another details. You can get the booster detail in its core fighter, and you can rejoin them, and voila, there you have it, the core booster. Okay, now it's time for the comparison time. So we can see in here, this is the differences between the old kit with the high grade Universal Century one. Well, we can see in here the high grade is a little bit smaller than the old one, but the details are so impressive than the old one. Well, the old one is a little bit bigger than the high grade, but the details, well, the high grade wins. And we can see in here, this is the differences with the 1/144 high grade hovercraft from the Gundam Ground War set. So we can see in here, this is the size comparison between the two core fighters and the hovercraft. Okay, now next up is the size comparison of the core booster between the core booster with the Gundam trailer truck. So this is the EX model Gundam trailer truck from Bandai, and we can see in here, well, I don't know about you guys, but the length of these two models are same, exactly same, you know. I don't know, the size is, when you compare the size of these two models, they are same. They have a very same length. Okay, now this is the size comparison between the core booster with the all support units and with the Gundam itself, and you can see the comparison by yourself in here. It's really good if you guys put the old kit with the high grade one. I mean the newest high grade one for your collections. So guys, what do you think? I want to hear your opinion about this core booster, so just write down your comment down below on the comment column section, and if you guys have any suggestion or maybe critics, just write down your comment and we're gonna talk about this together. And I hope you guys enjoy my video, and last but not least, I'm Ivan, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'm signing off now. Bye guys, adios guys.